Shut up. Oh. I didn't see that. Okay. You failed, Caroline. Oh my god. Shut up, Caroline.
I miss you, baby.
Adam, if you could hear this... Never mind. I'm not gonna say it.
I love you, Adam.
Caroline's stupid.
No, I'm not. I love you, Adam. This firework right there. The one right there. That's for you, Adam. Oh, that one too. Look at my finger. And that one. And that one. And that one.
You're so dumb.
That one.
He's gonna be like, Caroline, you're stupid.
That one. No, he's not. He'll think it's in there. And that one. And oh, that one. Especially that one.
Whoa.
Oh, that one definitely. Yeah, that's my final answer.
Adam,
oh, that one too.
Take her away.
Take me away. Oh.
Whoa. Caroline!
So mean to me.
You're mean to me, blocking my... Oh.
Oh, I'm gonna die!
Stupid head.
You're mean to me.
Good.
I'm gonna die!
Good! You're so stupid.
Oh my god!
Can you even see it?
Yeah.
Stupid.
Look at my face!
Oh my god, I saw it.
That's funny. I can't wait to see this.
I can't wait to see it. Shut up.
Oh my god.
Whoa! Ow! Michelle. She's being mean. Why? How are we? Whoa, whoa. How did we get way over here?
Way down there by my crotch.
Whoa.
You know.
Oh, butt rape.
What the fuck?
Shh. That's not
Brianna.
nice.
Fuck is a bad word.
It smells like burnt tape.
I don't know what burnt tape smells like.
I do.
Have you burned tape before?
Yes.
Okay.
I burn a lot of things. I burn cardboard.
Me too.
Paper.
I burn myself.
I try to avoid that.
Me too. Actually.
Ew, now it smells like burnt hot dogs.
Your mom smells like burnt hot dog.
Ew.
She gets a lot of head.
I hope my mom watches this. And here's how mean you are to me. And her.
I'm complimenting her, okay? She gets a lot of head.
You're so stupid.
I have a weird laugh.
Only when you're stupid. Shut up. People are staring.
That star is moving.
It's not
Oh, no, wait, no, it's not. Yes, it is, right there.
Oh! Ow! Where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
I can't see. Oh, that one.
Oh, it's not moving. I thought it was moving.
Yes, it's moving.
No, it's like not.
Oh, it's not.
I know, right?
Whoa!
Record it! That one.
I'm trying.
No, shut up.
Good.
Just look at me. I'm so pretty.
No. That's what your brain sounds like.
Hardy har har.
Why?
I love you, Free.
I hate you. You're blocking the little light things. Move!
Your mom.
Your penis.
I know, right?
This is like an orgasm.
What the fuck? Your sister's having an orgasm.
Oh, whoa. Whoa.
I didn't say that.
Now, who's the pedophile?
Adam. Love you, Adam.
Oh my god. That was amazing.
Sounded like Rihanna was.
See, Michelle? I told you. I told you.
It made a weird noise, but they're not noise.
See? It still made a weird noise. My firework has been invented. My firework's been invented.
Yeah. And I was the one with fireworks.
Me too. Oh my god, Michelle! I told you.
It sounds like we had a good day.
I know. These are my fireworks. These are my. Dude,
That
I love.
sounds like Rihanna. Oh, that right there sounds like Brie.
No, wait.
In the bathroom.
That one sounds like me. In the bathroom? What?
Oh, that one's Brie. The middle one. And that one. All of them really. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Just cuddling up with
What?
awkward.
I just drooled all over my
Ew. Some things people don't need to know.
butt blood.
But you asked.
No, I didn't.
I know, it's so funny.
I need to sneeze. Oh! You're so stupid.
I love you, Adam. I love you. Adam.
Shut.
Oh, Daddy. Love you. You better tag me.
Ow! I won't. Ow!
I could have hit you with a boob. No, I didn't. Yeah.
I'll protect that. Shut up!
I missed him! Do you have no sympathy?
No?
Just wait till you fall in love. Oh, that was Adam.
Oh, butt face. Those look like boobs.
Oh, there's bees. Oh, exploded. Well, there's 3 now.
Whoa. It's balls. Okay, I should stop because people are gonna see this.
Exactly. Oh, you know what that was? Your mom.
Don't
And there's
go there.
And it
Ow.
Did you say Adam's penis exploded?
Adam's penis exploded?
What? No, it didn't. Oh my god.
What?
So mean to me.
What did you say? You said something about
So did you say ow because the penis exploded?
Oh no, I said ow because a mosquito bit me in the ass.
It's that blood.
See, Michelle.
Oh, look, it's Adam. Look at it. It's
Oh
his
my-
face right there. That little puff of smoke is his head.
Adam, you could do me a huge favor by moving back.
Yes! Yes! Do it!
Or at least take Caroline with you.
Oh, yes, that works too.
Told you, Michelle.
Look out.
You're the one who's. Oh, look, it's Adam. Oh, look, it's Adam.
Adam's.
Shut up, Caroline. Shut up, Caroline.
Your mom's penis.
It's small.
Your mom's balls. Wait, do that again.
I was talking about
your
Adam.
mom's penis.
Doesn't exist.
Than Adam's.
Penis is small.
Oh, no, it's not. Why'd I say that? Love you, Adam.
Adam, we may act like strangers, but I've seen you naked.
She has! Adam, she's seen you naked. Okay.
Can we stop talking about Adam?
No, I love him.
I don't.
Your mom raped you.
What?
Your mom raped you.
That hurt my ouch. Oh Jesus Christ! But
One exploded down there.
I know. I hope someone didn't die.
I hope someone died.
Michael Jackson. I mean, that was inappropriate. I'm sorry. Oh my Jesus butt face. Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm cold.
Really?
Ow! I was just shocked in the face. Not shot, shocked.
Why?
Why? I don't know.
Oh, I sat on my hat. See?
You blocked like everything. Ugh. Oh, my ears popped. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Mom, that she's so abusive to you.
I love you.
She doesn't even know you.
I love you now.
Oh, crap.
What? What?
Ow. Oh my god, you're actually calm now.
Wait, what?
Nothing.
Something about a condom.
Nope. Get off me, blanket!
Oh my god, you're so mean.
Oh, my finger's in the way.